5 things that are worth your money if you're using a MacBook. Number 1, SSD. Almost 100k yung original price ng MacBook. Kapag nag-upgrade ka ng storage mo, boom! Almost 40k yung difference. Kaya external SSDs will save you a lot of money. Number 2, Tomtoc laptop sleeves. The amount of times that I dropped my laptop, it's a miracle na wala pa rin siyang dent. Recently, nag-camping kami sa Baguio at nahulog ko siya. Tama mo, may mga lupa-lupa pa. So if you want extra protection para sa MacBook mo, I highly recommend this laptop sleeve. Number 3, Anker power bank. There are times na when I'm working outside, walang port yung mga cafe. Ang maganda sa power bank na to, I can use it to charge my laptop. So I can work on the go even without ports. Number 4, clean my Mac. Sa mga MacBook users dyan, alam nyo kung gaano ka-hassle pag nag-accumulate na yung user cache. Yung app na to, it helps you clean up your MacBook internally. And number 5, cleaning kit. Mabilis mag-accumulate ng fingerprints saka ng dust yung keyboard ng MacBook, kaya sobrang importante na meron kang cleaning kit para palagi malinis yung MacBook mo. Para sa mga MacBook users dyan, what's your top 5 items that are worth buying? Comment down your suggestions.